What's up, guys? You guys already know who it is. It's Mr. Rich Hub Pips, and I just came to tell you guys that I passed the Funded Forex Challenge. Let's go. They did everything in their power to not see me win. Like literally, there was times where I already done passed the challenge and I could not close the trade. I told you guys about this. They froze my account when I was $6,000 in profit. Then they reset my whole account, so I had to start again from $100,000, and I passed the test in one day, last night. While I'm trading last night, guys, I'm up $600 in profit, and I screen recorded the whole thing. I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to see. So for all the people that's in my comments talking about, oh, you need to just read the FAQ and do your due diligence, blah, blah, blah. Guys, look at this. I'm up $600 in profit, and I can't even secure profits. I can't even place a stop loss or a TP to secure my profits. So I have to make a decision now. I can either close that trade now or risk it going back up in the other direction for me to lose money, right? Why can I secure profits? Why am I having trouble closing trades? Why Funded Forex? Why? Why do I have to start the challenge again if I already made progress on the challenge? Why? So it's all right though. I still passed the challenge regardless of all these obstacles. I didn't even use the bot. I didn't even do what the Royal Challenge is. I didn't even use the EA for the phase 2. I did straight manual trades, straight snipers, because that's what I had to do. They wasn't gonna tell me I'm copy trading on this phase 2 if I use my EA. I could have easily plugged in my EA past it and they would have hit me. I promise you, if I would have hooked up my EA, I promise you, they would have said, ooh, copy trading. Unfortunately, we cannot continue your challenge. You must buy a new one. They were gonna tell me some bullshit. I know. So it is what it is. You know, I passed the challenge now, so I think I get the live account on Monday. I think that they make you wait, until the new trading week to give you your live account. But after that, even when I do get the live account, I'm gonna have to wait a month to withdraw. So I guess during that month period, they want to see if you can actually make money or not, or maybe they're gonna finesse me again and make me, not be able to close out trades while I'm in profit, or maybe they won't let me secure profits on my live demo funds, whatever you want to call it. So let's see what obstacles we have, this week and this upcoming trading week. Trying to secure profits on this live funded account, right? Again, I'm still gonna be doing the other prop firm, but I'm gonna show you guys everything. But I'm starting to wonder, y'all, like, them testimonies that they put up on YouTube, are they paid actors? Like, for real though, are they paid actors? But you know what? Let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I passed the challenge. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, I got a couple order blocks here, support and resistance zones marked up on a 4-hour time frame. At some point, this market was just going crazy. Like I kept trying to buy GBP at a point, and I kept wondering, like, why is it selling? Why is it selling? So I had to go to the 4-hour time frame at some point, right? At some point, I had to go here and just see what's up. So, off rip, I see that this thing, is literally trending down. It's trending down. It's a lot of sell pressure here. And it keeps making lower lows. So it's like, I don't know why I kept trying to fight it. Okay, if it's going a certain way in the market, do not try to fight it because there's no point in fighting it. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, it keeps going down. So I'm like, all right, at this point, I'm gonna look for a sell. And I didn't get in right here. I did not get in right here just because simply I was a little bit shook. I was a little bit, hesitant. I ain't gonna lie, it happens. I missed the opportunity to get in at the highest point, but it's okay. I did get in right here. Let me show you guys what I got in. Okay, I got in right here. I got in really late. This is where I got in. And I didn't have no stop loss. The reason why I had no stop loss is because I feel like, they're stop hunting all the time. And if I would have had a stop loss, I wouldn't have passed my challenge. So I just left it. I was like 40 lots deep. And, after that, I just let the trade go. Now, I ain't gonna lie, when I enter right here, I didn't think that it was gonna come back all the way up here and match energy and hit this trend line right here. I didn't think that was gonna happen, but obviously it did because it's Forex. So, you know, I wasn't panicking because I knew that there's no way that's just gonna keep shooting up here and pass this previous low right here. So I just trusted in that. Okay, guys. So sometimes you'll be in drawdown, but you just got to trust your overall analysis on the higher time frames. So at this point, I'm in a lot of drawdown. It goes up about 91 pips on me. 91 pips on me in drawdown. But it dropped big. Now, what I learned with GU is that it really respects these resistance zones like a lot. So as soon as it got up there, drop. I'm in profit. And I didn't even close out here. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not enough money for me. It wasn't enough money for me to pass the challenge. And then it shot up. This is where you guys get a little scary too when it shoots up and now you're missing profit. You've lost the profit you already made. And now you sick to your stomach right now. Right. But again, what happens? It does not go past this point and it keeps with the trend. Right? Another lower low. So that's all we need to know. At that point, we see it struggling right here. You don't think it's going to pass here. People could place another sell. And then boom, it drops. But look at this. Look at this market. Like, come on, bro. This was scary right here. Are you serious? Are you serious? Nobody wants to see that right there. It comes and tests this exact resistance. And then it shoots all the way back down, a big wick. Got so many buyers in at this support level right here, right? Maybe some people thought that was a support level right there, um, right? So many buyers right here, shot up, but it respects that resistance zone crazy. And we know on the higher time frames, again, that this has been a sell this whole time. So again, I'm just praying that the thing wicks. And yes, it did. It wicked. And then after that type of wick, it's falling. So now we go from being 91 pips in drawdown to almost 100 pips in profit. And sometimes that's just how it is, man. Sometimes you just have to deal with that, you know. But, it was a bad entry on me. I definitely knew that I could have got in way earlier because I seen the move. But again, I was hesitant to go in there with those big lot sizes. And I ended up just getting in after the initial move. And it still worked out because I understood that this was a downtrend, even though I was in drawdown. I understood that it was a downtrend. So that's it. As long as you understand where the market is going, you're going to be in profit, but you just got to deal with that drawdown. You got to deal with that psychology because you decided to not get that sniper entry because you were hesitant, So that's how I passed the challenge. Next thing you know, I'm $5,000 in profit in one day after they reset my thing, you know. And they tried to, not allow me to secure some profits over here. And it's all right because I knew to be patient. Even though this thing shot up and I was probably negative around $4,000, I still won. Go. So now that this has happened on the hour time frame, we could probably look for a retest somewhere over here. Um, you could probably look for a retest. If it happens, it might not happen because this is a big candle. But if it does happen, you know, I'm taking that sell. I'm taking that sell because I know that price respects these resistance areas. It may even shoot up just to take me out the stop loss. But again, the most I'm gonna let it get up to is probably this trend line, and that's it. I'm taking myself out the trade. But you know, these people be stop hunting, the brokers be stop hunting. You know, sometimes they just do everything in their power just to get all the stop losses out, just to not see you win. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, the most I might do is let the trade get up to this trend line. How much is that? It's about 20, 25 pips, 30 pips from my entry. You know, if it does go back up there, or if it doesn't end up going back up there, I'm just gonna wait for the next biggest bullish move. Literally, just wait for the next bullish move to be done for. Let's just say it goes up. Let's see. Let's just say from here, it decides it wants to come up here or whatever, right? The next big bullish move, I'm literally selling. I do not care. Why? Because we're in a downtrend. It's that simple. And all they do is scare you. This is all this thing is gonna do, scare you. You gotta be mentally strong enough to accept that. If you just look at the patterns, it's simple. And that's how I see it. And that's how I saw it. If you look at it on the 1 hour time frame, it's really simple support and resistance, you know, really support, broke resistance, retested, support, broke resistance, retested, support, resistance, not broken, resistance not broken, support broken, resistance not broken, resistance not broken, support broken, resistance not broken, support not broken, resistance not broken, support not broken, wait, support broken. So I'm guessing resistance not broken again, support broken. So you know, let me mark up this new area of support that we may have. Let me get all this stuff off my chart real quick so you guys can really just see. I'm literally going to place a sell limit or something like that over here. That's pretty much it. That's it, guys. That's how I passed this challenge. Hope that you guys got some value from this video. Like and subscribe if you want some more sauce.